दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब करिए एसबीएस रीडिफाइनेशन चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाइए हमारी वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, I am Mahesh Kedi and you are watching SBS Redefinition channel. As you know, ICAI changes the syllabus of CA Final very dramatically and innovatively, and students are facing the problem which elective subject to be opt, as there are 6 elective subjects in the paper number 6, and students are asking question which elective subject to be opt, which have more future and which will more beneficial to us for our future. So let's begin with this video and I will suggest you which subject to be opt. The very first elective subject in your elective list is risk management. This subject is more based on theory and they are very practicals, and you already have the basic idea for risk in strategic financial management, financial management. It is good for the student who want to pursue their career strategic management field like business analysis. This will be very good for the student who are looking for their career in business analysis, as this subject will give you more enthusiasm in this area and this field. What I will suggest, you can pursue your career in business analysis after becoming CA, but this subject will assist you more in the business analysis field. So if you want to pursue your career in business analysis, then you should opt this subject. Moving further with the next elective subject, financial service and capital market. This is very tremendous subject in your CA, as CA are having the knowledge of taxation, auditing and financial, and if they have more knowledge about financial market, as we study strategic financial management in group 1 subject, then the future is going to be rock and awesome. It is a good news for the security market lover, and this will give you a boom in your career. If you want to pursue your career in financial market, then you should opt this subject. This subject will assist you in the more diversified area of your career like financial marketing analysis, business marketing analysis and much more. What I personally believe, this is the one of the most diversified subject in your CA syllabus, and I suggest you should opt this subject, as this is purely based on your practical reading. So you should opt that. Moving further, the next elective subject is international taxation. The first 50 marks of your paper is from Income Tax Act 1961. The next section will about your international taxation, and as the current era is all about the globalization, then this subject will boom your career in for the MNCs also. The one of the most benefit of this opting this subject is you can easily score good in this subject, international taxation. Moving further with economic law, this will be best for the student who are seeking their career to in the field of consultancy, then they may opt that subject. But what I personally believe, you should not opt this subject, because lawyer can work more efficiently than a CA on with respect to those topics. So what I personally believe, you should not opt this subject for your future. Next subject is global financial reporting standard. This is a subject which I will not recommend you to opt that, because ICAI is giving bunch of opportunity to boom your career and make your career more efficiently. Then you should not opt this subject, because you are already aware of IFRS in the financial reporting. So you may opt this subject as per your personal choice. If you just want to pass in paper number 6, then you may opt this subject, but what I personally believe, you should not opt that, because the IFRS is already learned in financial reporting framework. Moving further, and the last topic is multidisciplinary case study. This is the subject again which I not recommend you to opt, because this will not diversify your career. The first 3 subjects only can diversify your career, but this subject is not going to diversify your career, because you are only going to deeper study of this subject which you are already studying in your last level and your last exam, like auditing and assurance, taxation, corporate law and etc. What I believe, you already have enough knowledge for the case studies. So again, if you want to diversify your career, then you should not opt this subject. I hope I try to solve your problem and suggest you what subject to be opt. If this video is helpful, hit the like button, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड एंड डोंट फॉरगेट सब्सक्राइब। पढ़ना बंद और सीखना शुरू, क्योंकि सीखेंगे नहीं तो बढ़ेंगे।